Here's some perspective on the grand jury process. All felony cases in Texas have to go in front of a grand jury before a suspect can be charged. A grand jury has 12 members who serve for a 3-month term. For a case to move forward, 9 of them must decide there is enough evidence to charge a suspect. KXAN investigator Kevin Schwaller found most times Travis County grand juries hear cases and decide to indict.
The people who sit in these 12 chairs decide whether felony cases in Travis County can go to court.
Which is really just a screening mechanism that's been built into our Constitution.
Travis County Assistant District Attorney Gary Cobb is the director of the grand jury section.
But unlike an actual trial, generally it's just one side that's presenting evidence to the grand jury, and generally that's the state side.
During the last term for grand juries in Travis County, they kept busy, hearing more than 2,500 cases. And we found of these cases, more than 95% ended in indictments.
The standard for getting indicted is relatively low when you compare that to the standard for someone being convicted of the offense. Probable cause is a fairly low standard.
The process also filters cases before reaching this room. Cobb says the DA's office gets hundreds of cases each year prosecutors never bring in front of a grand jury. They decide the evidence isn't strong enough to continue. Kevin Schwaller, KXAN investigates.
If Attorney General Paxton were to be forced to step down, Governor Greg Abbott would appoint his replacement. Paxton's current term lasts until 2019. We have continuing in-depth coverage online for you right now, including how Paxton himself pushed for the tougher penalty he now faces when he was in the legislature. That's all at KXAN.com.